This is your Unit 2, Week 6, Part 2 test. The comprehension skill we've been working on is realism and fantasy. Realism is something that could happen in real life. Fantasy is make-believe that cannot happen in real life. Please pay attention to the read aloud, the ants, and the grasshopper to identify realism and fantasy throughout the read aloud. One beautiful spring day, a grasshopper was hopping about making music. He came upon some ants busily working in their garden. The grasshopper played his music and danced, but the ants kept on hoeing and planting seeds. "Why are you working so hard on such a fine day?" asked the grasshopper. "Come having fun. This is a time for music." Without stopping a moment to rest, the ants explained that they had jobs to do. They were planting a garden so they would have food for the winter. "That's silly," said the grasshopper. "There's plenty to eat." And he pointed to the green leaves and the grass and the flowers blooming everywhere. "Warm weather doesn't last forever," said the ants, and they continued to work. The grasshopper laughed and twirled around and went back to playing. Spring turned to summer. While the grasshopper lay in the shade without a care in the world, the ants tended to their garden in the hot sun. They watered the plants, pulled out the weeds, and raked the soil. They picked ripe fruits and vegetables. Fall came, and in the chilly air, the grasshopper still amused himself with his own music. The ants harvested their crops and stored them in the tunnels of their anthill. Winter howled and snow covered the ground. Inside the anthill, the ants were warm and had plenty of food. Outside in the icy wind, the grasshopper wandered about searching for leaves and blades of grass, but he found nothing. He was cold and hungry and frightened. One day, thin and shivering, the grasshopper knocked at the ants' door. "Who's there?" called the ants. "It is I, Grasshopper." The grasshopper answered in a weak, small voice. When the ants opened the door, the grasshopper said meekly, "I'm cold and hungry. May I come in and have something to eat?" The ants looked at him. All through the spring and summer and fall, while they had been working and working, the grasshopper had done nothing but dance and play. Now he was paying for his foolishness. But the ants could not help but feel sorry for him. Finally, one ant said, We will be glad to let you in if you promise to help us in our garden next spring." "I will help you work," promised the grasshopper. "Please let me spend the winter here." All winter long, the grasshopper lived comfortably with the ants who had stored enough food to last the winter. And when spring came, the grasshopper kept his promise. All day long he worked in the ants' garden. Sometimes at night, after the digging was done and the ants were at rest, he would make music. He had learned that it was best to work first and play when the work is done. The end. Now take the time to re-listen to the read aloud. On the next slide, you have to identify realism and fantasy by looking at the pictures. Good luck.